Alright guys, so if you watched last week's video, you know that I bought this V-Rod right here for $1,500. Now, you want to know what's wrong with it? Everybody asked in last week's video, so this week's video covers that. As you can see, it's all apart now, so definitely watch the video, find out what was wrong with it. One last thing before we do our Friday free ride. If you love motorcycle content like this, do us a huge favor, hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much. What's up, everybody? I'm Sonny the Badger, and welcome to my Friday free ride. Every Friday, I take you on a ride with me, and we talk motorcycles. So this week, as you saw earlier, I've got all the V-Rod parts strapped to my main squeeze silver, and we are headed to the shop to get that blue taken care of. Anyway guys, what I've decided to do is I've actually decided to wrap it. So the place I'm taking it, they wrapped the Badgermobile and did a kick-ass job. So I've decided that I'm going to have all the parts from the V-Rod wrapped as well. For those of you that do not know what I'm talking about, last week's episode, which I'll post up here in the video, I bought a 2004 Harley Davidson Vrod for $1,500 bucks. So a lot of the comments that I got on Facebook and YouTube were, alright, what's wrong with it? So, there's only three things wrong with the bike. Number one, it's set for quite a while, so it's pretty nasty and dirty. Nothing a little elbow grease can't take care of. Number two, when I pulled it in last week after about 150 miles, I started noticing some coolant dripping on the garage floor. So after doing a little digging, the coolant reservoir bottle is broken. And I guess that's a pretty common thing with those V-Rods. Alright dude, you need to stay the fuck in your lane. They even had like a Harley Davidson bulletin on those. So I called up Harley, they found me one, I got one on its way. Number three, it's blue. Now I got nothing against blue bikes and everybody else riding them. I'm just not a blue bike guy. So, in the past week, I have taught myself how to completely tear down a V-Rod, take all the tins off of it, and now I'm headed to Brand 1 Inc. in Cape Coral, Florida, so they can work their magic on the V-Rod. So let me ask you guys, have you guys ever wrapped a motorcycle? In fact, they've never done one. So I'm going to be their first motorcycle wrap. They do tons of commercial vehicles and cars and trucks and Jeeps and all that, but they've never done a motorcycle. So I'm their first. But these guys are awesome. I know they'll do a great job. They're also customers of Badger's Business Solutions and have been friends of mine for years. So I can't wait to see what they get done for me. But anyway, back to the other thing. Have you guys ever wrapped a vehicle or wrapped a motorcycle? And if so, what'd you think? I love it because, one, it's pretty inexpensive compared to painting. Two, if you don't like it, you peel it off, you go back to the original color, or you just have it redone. So pretty easy to change color schemes, paint jobs, and so on. And three, pretty much anything you can dream up, they can print out and put on your vehicle. So that's pretty cool. Not to mention, I guess it would protect the original paint too. from getting faded and damaged. So I see lots of benefits to it, and I cannot wait to see what they do to the V-Rod. And then, of course, for you that follow the channel, you know that September 26th is our big poker run. We spent a lot of time and energy on it. You can see the videos. They release every Wednesday, about 6 a.m. Eastern time. Just kind of taking you guys along the journey and the steps as we put this poker run together. So if you have any curiosity about that, make sure you go look up our poker run videos. I'll put them up here in this video as well. Remember, guys, if you like motorcycle content, all kinds of motorcycle content, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell icon so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave us your comments because we love to read them. We always answer them as well. Have a great weekend, guys. And remember, it's not about the destination. It's all about the ride. See ya.